That's a nice mother.
Alright, recording is back on. And this cab right here. Yo, he's blowing mine, so I'm going around him just like this. Because it's just that easy. Damn. Goodbye. Out of fact, I don't know why I did it. I could drive in one hand and hold the camera. I am the man. Body money. Straight up thug money. That brown paper bag under your mattress, drug money.
You got show dough, little to no dough. Sell a bunch of records and you still owe dough. I got 996. Tell them, you crazy, you fugazi. I'm
loco with dope I fall.
Bounce with me. On a Sunday, 7 to 9 p.m. on the 10 p.m. on the extended. Christmas all mixed weekend, baby, let's go.
Can I hit it in the morning without giving you half of my dough? And even worse, if I was broke, would you want me? If I couldn't get you finding things like all of them diamond rings, kill fall, would you still roll? If we couldn't see the sun rising up for sure Italian, would you ride in? If I wasn't driving, if I wasn't up 8-figure by the name of Jugger, would you come around me and would you clown me? If I couldn't flow futuristic, would you? Put your 2 lips on my pussy, could you? See yourself with it, working harder than 9 to 5, you contend to 6-2 jobs to survive. Or do you need a baller? So you can shop into the mall, brag to your friends what I bought you. If you couldn't see yourself with it, when this dough is low, baby girl, if this is so, yo, can I get a what? These jiggers from all of my dogs who don't love dough, they get no dough.
Can I get a these fellas from all of my ladies who don't got love, for players without love?
Can I get a what? These jiggers from all of my dogs who don't love dough, they get no dough.
Can I get a these fellas from all of my ladies who don't got love, for players without love? Now can you bounce with me?
Alright, now I gotta go up this hill and see how I do this. Can I make it? Can I make it? Of course I can fucking make it. I am the man. Oh, just that easy. Now I go downhill. See the football field? Covered. Now, this is where I know I can do all the tricks that I want to do and spin like crazy. So watch me. Oh my God, the phone fell again. Chicken man, holla. Let me hold this.
Did it again.
And no matter what the weather, we still partying tomorrow night.
I know.
Amnesia, Majestic Mondays. Jeremiah will be in the building. Bobby Trent's in the second dog. Put it down. Check the boy Star Deal. What's good, baby?
No. A lot of speculation on the monies I made.
One more spin and then I'm good.
I was here for real. Is that the really paid? Monsters I met or dealt with direct. Is it true state of beef and slept with a tech? What's the position?
Alright, that's good enough.
Can you really match a triple platinum artist? Fuck my mother. Only a single going gold. Rockefeller shit fold. And you left out in the cold. Is it back to charge your motherfucking 11 for a hole? For the millionth time asking me questions like was we ill be no harassing me. They get upset when I catch feelings. Can I get a minute to breathe? And in that minute you leave while I'm looking at my roll ice spinning on my sleeve. Nice watch. Do you really have a spot like you said in front of the phone? And if so, what block? What you doing in LA with Filipinos and essays, Latinos and Chevys down by Pico with Rodrigo? I answer all y'all questions, but then y'all got to go.
Time to go.
And the question I ask you is how bad you
I'll
want
ask
to go
y'all.
black?
Oh, we can do one more spin right here. This big circle. Yeah, I'll just do one for y'all.
How we do?
Let's go. Phone lines is on fire right now. We shaking the block, baby. Hot 97. Who's this?
What's up, Trey? I'm stuck in the snow. Scataway. Just got done doing a 360. I'm gonna give a shout out to everybody who's in season 1. Mikal, holla. This is Mikal. Shout out to Hot 97. What's up, Trey?
Alright, now it's time to go back inside.
On River Drive in New Jersey. I'm giving a shout out to my peoples in Passaic. My name's Trey.
Alright, I'll holla at y'all later.
Shout out to Hot 97.
One.